Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What's up guys, me Yamin JV56 from Shemini's family, and we're unboxing the iPad Pro. The iPad Pro 11-inch second generation Wi-Fi. It has 512 gigabytes, and yeah, let's continue. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What's up guys, me Yamin JV56, and we're unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch second generation Wi-Fi cellular. It has 512 gigabytes. The one that we had before had 256 gigabyte, and my papa needed more space on the iPad Pro, so that's why we bought another one without cellular. So let's get into this. Ew. Okay, I don't actually know how to open this. Can you hear it? Wow, this is wicked. This is very nice. Oh, this is very slim. So we have two other iPads, not iPad Pros. We have two other iPads. But this is way better than them. This is the new one. What? This is so well wrapped. Designed in Apple in California. Okay. This is not charging. Probably needs charge. So that's the iPhone. Ooh, that's charger. What's on? Is there anything underneath this? So this is really well wrapped. This was really well wrapped until we cracked open it. So I think we should press the top button and just hold it until it turns on. Oh, you've seen the Apple screen. Okay, now, so this is really thick. Look at the thickness of this. Oh, hello. Tap to open. Open. Oh, English. Select your country or region. United Kingdom, yes. United Kingdom. Select setting language. Okay. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPad to sign and set up. I guess my dad has to do this if he needs to. Okay, so the charger's here, and whatever this is. I think this is the thing that you should just put it into. Yeah, I can now see it. So I won't be unboxing this or the charger, but if you haven't subscribed already, just hit the subscribe button and like this video. Hit the bell to get notifications of all of the videos we get, and bye.